Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Huddleston. You can call me Miss H. Welcome to the Sports Med program at Valley Vista High School. This is a 3-year program with a 4th-year option for internship that is optional here on campus. Those of you interested in the sports medicine field and careers such as sports medicine, athletic training, physical therapy, orthopedics, nursing, you name it, you're in the right place. Starting with a couple of things that we will learn in this class. The main thing we will first start with is breaking down anatomy, physiology, and medical terminology. So as you see on this counter, here are just a few examples of models we may look at and break down as I start to teach you guys about different aspects of the body. Here we have our skeleton. He will be our best friend. We will start to break down the components of the skeleton as you guys learn about the anatomy and physiology of the body that allows us to be able to hold all of our bones, ligaments, and muscles together. As we move along into this part of the lab, one thing that we will cover is going to be emergency and injury management. So this red roll you see here actually can open up and it actually becomes a splint. So we'll have labs where we talk about injured athletes, possibly broken bones and fractures and things like that. And we will learn how to splint and stabilize those injuries. The next thing you see here is a football helmet. It is one of our sports here on campus, and being in the sports med program, you may have a chance with that internship to cover. We will learn things like removal of the face mask in case we need to access an athlete's airway. Next we have here is a set of crutches. Many of you have seen these before from injuries yourself. We will practice and learn how to properly use them, properly fit an athlete for them to help them ambulate after an injury. As we move here, we're getting to the CPR and emergency aspect. This here is Rescue Randy. He's one of the many dummies that we will practice on as we practice CPR and learning first aid. Once you leave Valley Vista, you will learn how to do CPR, and that will be one of your requirements when you graduate. We'll also work on taking blood pressure and things like that to assess athletes' vitals. And lastly, we can't have sports med without rehab. So after we break down the anatomy and physiology, we figured out how to work through emergencies and first aid. After an athlete's injured to the musculoskeletal aspects, we will also rehab them back to sport, okay? So we'll learn about stretches, foam rolling, different rehab exercises, and we'll work on strengthening and taping as well. I hope this sounds exciting to you, and I hope to see you guys in my class this coming year. Take care.